Well. Hello, Eddy County. It's amazing. It's amazing. This morning, I don't know what's today, April the 24th, 25th, I don't know. It doesn't matter. But I got some information this morning that the defense attorney for the people behind me, the city attorney and the mayor and the council members, got the chair of the judiciary to be their defense counsel. Now I know how Kia Riggs was inserted into my case. It's amazing how the malfeasance, the maladministration, and the abuse of power and the official misconduct and how deep the corruption goes. You know, it's kind of funny how Joe Dominguez, the judge, was crucified by these people for a DWI, which rightfully so he should have been. You know, I don't have a problem with that. But when they catch themselves in the wrong, you know, because on July the 1st of 2018, Nancy Long, their defense counsel, was appointed as, the commission appointed her as, what does it say here, for a 4-year term, will begin on July 18, 2018, as the judiciary chair. Go figure that one out. And you think that you're going to get a judge inserted into a case. It wasn't that Stephen Vidmer was incompetent. They had to have somebody from the judiciary as their representatives to get a ruling in their favor. It's amazing how deep this corruption goes. It's deep. It's really deep. I had no idea till this morning. The fact of the matter is that I filed a pro se civil action complaint against my mayor, my city attorney, and all 8 of my council members for abuse of power and official misconduct. And I gave them notices. Of their liabilities for this abuse. And they inserted somebody else in here, Mr. Patterson, which is in this building. Let me go over here and I'll show you how deep the corruption goes. They've got code enforcement committing crimes, sending people that don't even work for the city, but they're subordinates because they assume they got their permission to do it. It's amazing how deep this corruption goes. And we're not doing nothing about it? Nah, we need to prosecute these people. I'm not talking about firing them. I'm talking about prosecuting them. They need to be prosecuted to the full extent of the law. If the district attorney doesn't do it, and this is one of my biggest points, that my boss can come and do my job. We elect our district attorneys and our judges, except for the federal judges, which are appointed. We elect these people to represent us. They work for us. When they work for us, you know, they're supposed to make sure that this kind of crap doesn't happen. But inside this building right here, I'm going to cross the street. I'm going to cross the street because this is the municipal annex. The Janelle Whitlock Municipal Complex. It's amazing how Nancy Long, the defense counsel, is the judiciary chair. So if you submit a codes of judicial conduct malfeasance complaint against these people right here, you're not going to get representation. You're not going to get equal protection of the law. You're not going to get it. Because they are corrupt. They are corrupt as they can get. On July the 1st of 2018, Nancy Long was commissioned as the judiciary chair. And that judiciary chair oversees all judges. Stephen Vidmer was assigned to my case in the federal courts. Well, Stephen Vidmer, somehow, I was under the impression that, you know, he was incompetent since Kia Riggs was inserted into my case, not realizing until I did the research that Kia Riggs, Denise Boyer, and Shooter Gray, and Judge Reardon were all in cahoots and corrupt. And I have the evidence right here in my hand, part of it. I have the other parts of the evidence in my office. It's amazing that we do not hold these people accountable. Well, this evening, I have a little meeting with Gabe Vasquez. Gabe Vasquez is going to get called out today. This evening at 5:30, he's having a virtual. And I'm going to record that virtual with Gabe Vasquez. And I'm going to post it because this needs to be fixed. And I'm not talking about sanctions. I'm talking about prosecuting these people. They committed acts or omissions forbidden by law. There's absolutely no reason why I can't insert federal law in state court to prosecute these people, submit the evidence to a foreman of a grand jury, and let the grand jury decide whether it was a crime or not, and get a true bill or a no bill, and then follow through, and they can answer to a jury of their peers. But you know, it's gotten to the point to where maybe we the people need to prosecute them. We the people are the jury. We the people are the grand jury. We the people are these people's boss. We are their boss. We together are their boss. I would like to prosecute them myself. I know without a shadow of a doubt that I could get a conviction on every one of them. And it's important because malfeasance, maladministration, abuse of office, abuse of power, official misconduct is a crime. It's a crime. Punishable by 10 years, $250,000 fine, and if death occurs like it did in Hector B. Leja's case, punishable by death. And nobody's doing anything about it? I'm amazed. I am totally amazed that nobody's doing anything about it. But today, I'm going to bring it to Gabe Vasquez's attention. And if he doesn't do anything about it, when I file the judiciary complaints with the judiciary, which is just going to get thrown in the trash because the defendant's attorney is the chair of the judiciary. How are you supposed to get any kind of bipartisan rulings? You're not going to get them. You're not going to get them. That's how corrupt it is. The mayor, Denise Boyer, all 8 of our council members used the judiciary chair to get their case dismissed. And that's, I know without a doubt, a pro se, ex parte communications, which is illegal. I have it in email by a judge saying that it's illegal. It's a crime, an act or omission forbidden by law, and needs to be prosecuted. And if these judges and these representatives are not going to stand up for we the people, we need to prosecute them and get them out. Just like Milligan v. U.S. 71, Article 2, Section 98 says, just like Marbury v. Madison, Article 5 says, we need to prosecute them. Abuse of power and official misconduct is a crime. They swore an oath to represent us, and they're not doing it. They're representing each other, and we need to put a stop to it. I appreciate you hearing me out, Eddy County, and y'all have a good day.